Okay, so you're going to be doing a taste test of some Skittles with your partner. If you don't have a partner today, like they're absent or whatever, please see me and we'll make sure we get it figured out for you. All right, go ahead and continue here. Now, there is the pink folder, but the instructions here I think are probably a little clearer. Alrighty, so you and your partner are going to find out if your sense of smell affects your sense of taste. You are going to see if you can identify the flavor of Skittles without looking at them under two conditions. First time around, you're not going to be able to look. Now, it says blindfolded, but I'm just going to trust you to cover your eyes or close your eyes. The second time around, you're going to also plug your nose. So first time around, just eyes covered. Second time around, eyes closed and nose plugged. Each partner does this. You are going to be given 4 of each flavor of Skittle. And if you want to lay them out like this, you can kind of keep track, that's fine. But please remember, when you are giving your partner the Skittles, don't tell them if they're right or wrong. Don't let them see it. So you're going to be given 4 strawberry, 4 green apple, 4 lemon, 4 grape, and 4 orange. And double check to make sure I counted correctly and that that's what you really do have. All right, so first time around, as I said, you give them a Skittle, one of each of the colors, one at a time, with their eyes covered or eyes closed, and they have to tell you what flavor they think it is. And if they guess, so you only give them one guess, and you don't tell them if they're right or wrong. Again, do not tell them if they're right or wrong till the very end of the whole thing, because your friends are smart. They'll figure out which ones they haven't done if you told them they're right or wrong. So give them a Skittle, and she eats it and guesses, or he or she eats it and guesses if it's strawberry. If they say anything other than strawberry, a no goes here. And you keep doing that. So, in this case, the second one that was given was purple, so grape. And they said something other. I think she said green apple or something like that. So that's a no. So you go through and fill out the entire side like this for your partner. So again, that first time around is just eyes closed. You're allowed to smell. Just eyes closed. Now, it doesn't mean you smell the Skittle. It means that your nose is not plugged up, because the Skittles don't smell like anything, so that's weird. Don't do that. Second time around, nose plugged and eyes closed. So you have to guess. And again, give them in a random order every time. So they give them a grape, and she guesses, a lemon, or whatever, different flavor. And now notice this person got the strawberry correct, but nothing else when they could smell. But they actually did a little bit better with their nose plugged. That's not, well, I don't want to tell you this. I don't want to tell you what usually happens. I don't want to ruin your results. So anyway, first time around, just eyes closed. Second time around, eyes closed and nose plugged. And again, you record the results for them. Don't tell them how they did until the very end. Okay, so now you do the same thing for your partner. You're going to have your partner cover their eyes, and you give them the Skittles one at a time, and they have to guess the flavor, and you have to record yeses and nos. Then this time around, again, your partner closes their eyes, plugs their nose, and has to guess the flavor. You record the yes or the no if they're right or wrong. Any questions, make sure you ask. Then you take all that data from above, and in the middle of your worksheet, remember there's a worksheet in the pink folder, and you record correct and incorrect and tally it up. Again, record correct and incorrect and tally it up for both people. The last thing you do is answer the 2 questions at the bottom. According to your data, explain your findings. So what did you guys see? What flavors are easier to figure out? Things like that. And then, I'm sorry, that goes down here. So this is the part about the nose, and nose plug versus no nose plug, and how well they did. Did that sense of smell affect it? And at some point in class, we've actually talked about this, so I bet you probably already know. And again, which colors are easy to recognize? And that changes from person to person. Any questions, make sure you ask. There you go.